Hello friends, welcome to Quiz Colors. In this quiz video, we will discover the concept of IoT and how it connects the physical and digital world. So let's start the video. Question number 1. What is the full form of IoT? Options are Internet of Technology, Incorporate of Things, Internet of Things, Incorporate of Technology. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option C, Internet of Things. Question number 2. What is IoT? Options are network of physical objects embedded with sensors, network of virtual objects, network of objects in the ring structure, network of sensors. Please write your answer in the comment box now. Answer is option A, network of physical objects embedded with sensors. Question number 3. Which of the following is not an IoT device? Options are table, laptop, Arduino, tablet. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option A, table. Question number 4. Which of the following is false about IoT devices? Options are it uses the internet for collecting and sharing data. IoT devices need microcontrollers. IoT devices use wireless technology. IoT devices are completely safe. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is IoT devices are completely safe. Question number 5. Which of the following is not an IoT platform? Options are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Salesforce, Flipkart. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option D, Flipkart. Hey viewers, here is a question for you. Which of the following command is used to trigger the Amazon Echo IoT device? Options are Hello, Siri, Alexa, Hey. Please write your answer in the comment box now. I will tell you the answer at the end of this video. Question number 6. Which of the following is not an application of IoT? Options are BMP 280, Smart Home, Smart City, Self-driven cars. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option A, BMP 280. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a fundamental component of an IoT system? Options are sensors, connectivity and data processing, user interface, transformer. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option D, transformer. Question number 8. Which layer is used for wireless connection in IoT devices? Options are application layer, network layer, data link layer, transport layer. Please write your answer in the comment box now. Answer is option C, data link layer. Question number 9. Which of the following is false about the IoT components? Options are a light sensor is an analog sensor. A microphone is a digital sensor. A push button is a digital sensor. A keyboard is a digital sensor. Please write your answer in the comment box now. The answer is option B. A microphone is a digital sensor. Question number 10. Which of the following is used to capture data from the physical world in IoT devices? Options are sensors, actuators, microprocessors, microcontrollers. Please write your answer in the comment box now. Answer is option A, sensors. So now it's time to reveal the answer of additional question for you. So the answer is option C, Alexa. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors for more exciting content.